Today, A Taste of New York is visiting Duet Restaurant here in the West Village, where Chef Dimitri is preparing a delicious recipe using Nature Nate's raw and unfiltered honey. Raw and unfiltered honey is honey the way nature intended, never heated to high temperatures and keeping all the important enzymes intact. Since it is unfiltered, it naturally still contains pollen and retains the best flavor, aroma, and nutrition. Nature Nate's 100% pure, raw, and unfiltered honey is a farmer's quality honey available year-round. It's like having a beehive in your own backyard. Let's go into the kitchen with Dimitri.
We're doing a brunch dish. It's going to be a Texas toast with ricotta cheese and made honey and some berries.
Dimitri shows us how ricotta cheese, berries, and Nature Nate's raw and unfiltered honey can turn a regular Texas toast into a delectable brunch dish. Nature Nate's 100% pure, raw, and unfiltered honey can ship right to your door. You'll discover an uncommonly rich flavor and aroma made by American bees. We have Dimitri show us how he makes one of the favorites at Duet, seafood in a pot.
Welcome, we're here at Duet, West Village. We are making today seafood in a pot, and the key ingredient for that is going to be Nate's raw unfiltered honey. Welcome. To make the seafood in a pot, I'm using vegetable maripoa. It's halal leeks, carrots, tomatoes. Seafood in a pot contains all kind of seafood, shrimps, calamari, lobster, mussels, clams, some vegetables. Then we're adding a little bit of white wine. After that we're adding fish broth, heavy cream, touch of salt, touch of cayenne pepper, and of course Nate's pure raw honey. To dip to the sauce, you need a toast by adding a touch of garlic on it. So we're taking a Texas toast, we're slicing, adding a little bit of garlic, finishing in the oven, cutting in triangles and put it to the dish. We're gonna put a little bit more honey. And dig it in, enjoy the dish. So who's first?
Turns out honey makes everything better. So whether it's a bottle for your pantry or a jug for your restaurant, available in all shapes and sizes, you can find it all online at honeymakesitbetter.com. They even have these cute gifts available for the holidays.